Now students, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the use of organic nitrates in angina. We have already discussed about these nitroglycerin, about these organic nitrates in general pharmacology when we were discussing the routes of drug administration. There we studied that nitroglycerin is given sublingually because of the first pass effect. Now, what is the mode of action of these nitroglycerins? These organic nitrates or nitroglycerins, this will decrease the myocardial oxygen demand. These are the drugs which are used in all three types of the angina, in the stable angina, variant angina, or the unstable angina. Now, what is the mode of action of the drug? This mode of action is very simple. You can understand this with the help of a figure. That is, when you administer the nitroglycerin, this will result in increased conversion of these nitrate ions into nitric oxide, which will then activate the enzyme, that is guanylate cyclase, which will result in increased synthesis of cyclic GMP, that is the guanosine monophosphate cyclic guanosine monophosphate. This elevated GMP will lead towards the dephosphorylation of the myosin light chain, which will result in the vascular smooth muscle relaxation. Now, what is the ultimate purpose of this drug class? For example, if we take an example of nitroglycerin, this will cause the dilation of the larger vein. As a result, there will be reduced preload, that is the venous return to the heart. There will be reduced work by the heart. There will be dilation of the coronary vasculature. There will be dilation in the coronary arteries, the arteries which are supplying blood to the heart. So as a result, there will be increased blood supply to the heart. Now, what are the drugs which are included in these categories? These are the nitroglycerin, isosorbide dinitrate, isosorbide mononitrate. Now, coming towards the different dosage forms of the drugs which are available in the market, you can see that in the market sprays are available, tablets are available. Ultimate purpose is to relieve from the angina. Now, all different categories of the drugs have the different onset of action. When we talk about the nitroglycerins, then in that case, for its onset of action is 1 minute, while for that of the isosorbide mononitrate, this is 30 minutes. Now, this figure is showing that in the market we have the spray formulation available, we have the tablet formulation available, that is given sublingually. These are the drugs which are used to get relief from the angina after the exercise or any emotional stress as well. Now, why we are giving these sprays or the tablets sublingually? This is because we want to avoid the first pass metabolism by the liver. These are the drugs which will undergo the first pass metabolism. So we are trying to avoid this first pass metabolism. Because of this, by considering this, we have the sublingual or the transdermal patches or the ointments which are available in the market. So this is a figure which is representing that there is an ointment of nitroglycerin which I am applying to the applicator. Then after applying this to the applicator, we will place it over the chest at a prescribed location. Now this is the marker, this is the applicator which will indicate you that how you will apply the dose, how this is the dose will be applied in inches. I will discuss this as well. Where you will apply the applicator. You will apply the applicator on dry, hairless skin. Mostly recommended area is the chest, but you can also apply it anywhere in the upper or the mid trunk area. Some people use it on the arm as well, but the recommended is on the chest. Now, 2% ointment is also available in the market. For example, when I talk about the angina pectoris, that in case with the long-term prophylaxis, the recommended dose is 0.5, that is 0.5 to 2 inches. I will apply the ointment over here, over this length in AM in the morning, then 6 hours later in the truncal skin. Then when I talk about the congestive heart failure, the recommended dose is 1.5 inches. That can be increased by 0.5 to 1 inches up to 4 inches after every 4 hours. So students, this was all about the use of nitroglycerin. This was all about the different dosage forms of the nitroglycerin available in the market. This was all about the mode of action of the organic nitrates.